Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to turn this old cardboard box into a beautiful little storage unit with a light. First we're going to take this box and we'll cut the tops off and trim them up so they're nice and even. Then we'll take one of those pieces we cut off, measure it, and fill the hole in the bottom of the box. Then we just take some hot glue and secure the flaps and secure the little piece to make the bottom nice and even. Then we'll take another piece of cardboard that we've measured to make our lid. And you see that line there? So we're going to score that line so it'll fold over to make a little lip for our lid. Remember not to cut straight through, just slowly cut it till it folds over. And we'll just tidy up the one edge there so it's nice and even. And we'll take some masking tape and connect that down to make our hinge for the lid. As always, we appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. Great thing about this project is it saves you money on buying storage things, and it allows you to recycle some old items, keep things out of the landfills. It's a fun and easy project that anyone can do, and we hope you try it out. Once our hinge is secured, we'll start cutting up some wrapping paper to make a nice cover. Once you cut out a strip, we'll just put glue on the box and apply that directly to the paper so we don't get a lot of bubbles. Then we just flatten that down and continue gluing the box and rolling it so that it covers the paper. We will be using two different papers for this project, so just trim off some excess and then fold it up onto the bottom of the front. We got our papers at the Dollar Tree, and we recommend using two high contrast colors so you get a really nice finish to it. Then we'll trim off some more excess and cut the corners and fold them up. For our next color of paper, we'll be using a pink. It matches the flowers in the other paper and it contrasts nicely with the black. Then for the pink color, we'll take some measurements and cut the piece so it makes a nice square on each end, so like a little panel. And again, we'll be applying the glue directly to the box and putting the panel on top and cutting corners and folding inside so you get a nice seam. Once the box is wrapped, we'll be measuring another piece and putting it on the back of the lid. Then to finish up our box, we'll be putting more panels inside the box. And if it goes over a little bit on the bottom, that's not a problem because we'll be putting another piece of paper there. Once the inside of the box is all nicely trimmed up, we'll be putting the silver on the bottom just to give it some extra glam. And it's a nice contrast to the pink and the black as well. Once you're satisfied with the fit, then just put a few dabs of glues in each corner and put the bottom in. Once the bottom's in, we'll be putting some green ribbon on the edges just to cover up any bumps and give it a nice little finish. With our ribbons in place, we'll just glue this button on the bottom here so we can attach the lid later. To hold our light for the inside of the box, we're going to be using this old soap box. We're gluing down these parts and then we'll be cutting it out so we can put our little puck light in there. It can be hard to see what's inside your box, so we decided to put this light in there. That way you don't have to worry about not being able to find things in there. And that's another reason we put the silver on the bottom, just so you can see things better inside the box. Then we'll wrap the box in our pink paper again so it matches the inside of the box. For the best fit of your paper, cut directly into the corners so there's no overlap and it's a lot easier to fold in. We picked up our little puck light at the Dollar Tree as well. Makes a nice little addition to your storage box. And once your box is all nice and wrapped, glue it on inside the corner. And there you go. Click, click, click. Beautiful light. Once your light box is inside, we'll cut a piece of string and figure out a good length there so we can cut it and then attach the lid later. So we'll just tape the string on the back and then we'll cover it with another piece of the very same paper so you don't have to see the string. There, then just wrap your string around the button and the lid is closed. Continue to watch our channel for more organizational hints and tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I hope you give this a try, and we'll see you next time.